Hi, it's Paul Roche here from EPS Global. I'm at EPS headquarters in Dublin, Ireland, and today I'm with Brian Colgan from the Microchip FPGA Business Unit. Morning, Brian.
Yeah, morning, Paul.
We've got some interesting kits to show to our customers here today. So, Brian, would you mind talking through it?
Yeah, hi everyone.
Thank you.
So today I'm going to show you a couple of different development kits that we have at Microchip in the FPGA Business Unit. I guess just how would you get started using a Microchip FPGA? So we have a few different kits depending on what you're looking to do. So if you want a basic evaluation kit, what we have is the PolarFire Splash Kit, kind of a low-cost kit based on PolarFire FPGA. It's not application specific, you can really use it for anything, but if you're, say, working on maybe a specific application like a video application, and that's an area we have loads of success, then you have something like our FPGA Video Kit. So again, it's based on PolarFire FPGA, but comes with dual Sony image sensor board as well, included with the kit, as well as a high pin count FMC connector. The other thing we have lots of success in is high-speed comms. We have low-power transceivers, so doing 10 gig PON. We have an XGS-PON solution. So we have some reference designs here based on XGS-PON. And then the final thing, if you're looking to do AI, and lots of people are doing AI based on Nvidia GPUs, we've actually partnered with Nvidia, and we have this what we call Ethernet Sensor Bridge Kit. So it's a partnership with Nvidia where we basically bridge in any sensor data, maybe MIPI sensor interface, maybe you're using something like a PixArt sensor. You get it into it in PolarFire FPGA, and then you can transmit it out into 10 gig Ethernet into an Nvidia Jetson or an GPU platform. So that's really some evaluation kits that we have available. Not an exhaustive list, but some of the ones that are very popular.
Yeah, thanks, Brian. And further information available on epsglobal.com. Thank you.